Okay, a word of warning and caution to everyone out there. I tried to update the speakers. I downloaded the firmware update and it almost destroyed the whole thing. As you can see here, I'm checking it out and reading it, and it seemed alright. So it's going to shut down the G-Hub background program and everything would be good. So yeah, I'm still reading it. I should probably cut that part out a bit more, I think. Anyway, I started off and as you can see, it's progressing through. Everything seems good for me. I was pretty happy up to this stage with everything, with the installation and everything, how it went. And then we get to this point and it just decides not to work. Now, I had to turn the speakers on and off a couple of times, and I had to reset my computer a couple of times as well. At one point I turned the speakers on, there was no lights, nothing, and I was a bit frustrated thinking that I had killed the whole thing, but I just tried again, and then eventually it works. So just a word of warning for you people out there, when you do it, see that, connect your Logitech gear, it wasn't even detecting it. So that's the point where I turned it on and off and restarted, but here we go. And then it worked again, and that's where, yeah, in the settings in the G-Hub, you'll find the lighting settings, and you can adjust all that stuff as well as on the actual speakers themselves. And you can also find in the G-Hub, you will find settings for the treble and bass and audio settings as well. Thank you for watching.